So let's go. Why do we do that? You're probably telling me, why did I buy it in the first place? Why didn't I check the camera first? I actually think I was the one that broke it because I was so excited. 5 flash filters. So we've got a red one, a yellow one, a white one, and a blue one. Wait, I can't count. It's 4. Wait, I thought there was 5. Oh, okay. There was only 4. So it came with 5. Why do I keep saying 5? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel GoGrowGlowbern. My name is Glowbern and today is an exciting day. It's going to be an exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing and testing the Lomography La Sardina camera. So I got this brand new. Actually, I'm going to tell you a story. So I actually first got the La Sardina camera secondhand, and this is it. This is like an older model version. I just got it on Gumtree and it's secondhand, and I got it for $30. And it's so cute. It's got like this design of like the stars, or like the star chart, and yeah, it's, when I looked it up online, it's actually called the Copernicus version or something, and it looks really cute. However, this is broken. See, if I press the shutter button here, it doesn't, like, you know, click, it just goes up and down. And sadly, I have wasted 3 canisters of film on this one because I just wanted it to work so bad because I was so excited to try it, but it's broken. And so I opted to buy a brand new one. I got it online from like a local camera shop. The reason I bought a new one was because I searched on Gumtree again and searched like on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. Most of the La Sardina cameras always come with the Fritz the Blitz flash, but because the flash is indeed still working, you can actually take it off. So I just needed the camera, and I couldn't find anywhere like secondhand to buy the camera itself. So I still have the flash and it still works. And then I'll turn it on. And the light is green there. That means, is it green? It's really bright, I can't really see. But I could hear it like powering up. So the flash indeed still works. This was actually a good bargain as well, because it came with a battery. It came with 5 flash filters. So we've got a red one, a yellow one, a white one, and a blue one. Wait, I can't count, it's 4. Wait, I thought there was 5. Oh, okay. There was only 4. So it came with 5, why do I keep saying 5? 4 flash filters. So what you do is you take a flash filter, let's say the blue one, and you just snap it on to the front like that. When you use the flash, it gives off the blue flash, and the same with all the other ones. It was a really good bargain for $30, but it was broken. You're probably telling me, why did I buy it in the first place? Why didn't I check the camera first? I actually think I was the one that broke it because I was so excited. I already stored and loaded film in this one when I first got it, and then I watched this video about blank rolls. So, you know, when you take a photo, if you don't load your film properly into your camera, it comes out as a blank roll. So all the memories or photos that you've taken, you didn't actually really take them because you loaded the camera wrong. So I was really scared of that because it was my first time having a manual camera. I tried to take a photo and then wind it forward, and then I wasn't sure if, you know, the film was loaded and whatnot, and I probably just kept winding and broke the mechanism. That was my fault. Oh well. So I opted to buy a new one just to be sure that it works well. Let's get unboxing! So this is the Lomography La Sardina camera, and it's in the design called 8-ball. So as you can see, it's like black and like maybe like a white reflecting thing. So it's like an 8-ball, you know, if you guys play pool. It says, rack up some seriously mind-blowing 35mm shots with this black beauty. It really is a beauty. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Right, now, I think I should take this off first, but I'm not sure how. Actually, it comes with like, this has like some photos in there. Like some sample photos of what the La Sardina would look like. You know what? I'm just gonna tear it. Haha. And this is the camera. Oh, it feels, it's like soft touch, definitely plastic. But compared to this one's more of like a smooth, like plasticky touch. This one's like soft touch, soft touch. Ooh, that feels so luxurious. And on the bottom it says Lomography. This is the shutter button. Okay, can you hear that? I can actually hear the shutter going compared to this one, which I broke. It's really not going. So yeah, and this camera's got a couple settings. So that's the shutter button, and that's like the wind. So it's pointing to the letter E, so that tells you how many exposures you have left. This is your rewind button, so for when you finish all of your film, you just like wind that back to put it back into the film canister. Then we've got a couple of settings up here: bulb mode, normal mode, and MX, or multiple exposures. And then this is the viewfinder. Oh, you can see my face! Can you see my face? That is so funny. And then this is where the flash comes in. There's a little screw there, and this is where you open the back door. And there's also a couple more settings here. So that is something meters to infinity, and then that is macro mode. So you just like flip that like that, whichever one you want to use. Cool, cool. You open just like this, so you just flip that and it opens up. This is the inside. So you put your film here, you have to put that up like that. Put your film in there, and then wind it here, and then this is the take-up spool. Cool. Oh man, I love this already. Nice. Right, and we've got the lens cap. This one, on the other hand, didn't come with a lens cap, so that is awesome. Oh, look how pretty that is. It's like black and so sleek. Oh, okay. That's the camera. Let's see what else is inside the box. A book and probably instruction manuals. So it says, this one says La Sardina, seeing the world through a sardine can. Sardine cam. So the reason why this camera is called the La Sardina camera, because it actually looks like a sardine can. You know, when you like twist it open to get the sardines out, you know. It's really cool. So that's just like a flyer thing. And we have a book. Look at that. Oh wow, that looks amazing. So we've got that. So it's pretty much like samples of photos that you can take. There's actual food photos. Oh, it contains the 10 golden rules of lomography, which you can find online. The funny thing about the 10 golden rules of lomography is that rule number 10 is break the rules or don't follow the rules or something like that. So yeah. So it pretty much just means just shoot as many pictures as you can, capture the moment, but if it comes out bad, learn that lesson and then improve your photography as your day goes by. And this is like it's a warranty. It says this warranty is valid only in Japan. And we've got, oh wow. That's a huge manual. It says instructions for use. That's huge, man. This whole thing is like an instruction leaflet. I don't even want to say it's a leaflet, because it's not a leaflet. It's like a huge page. Okay, so the instructions come in different languages. That's why there's a lot. But I only know how to say English, so English is like the first one that you can see on this side. Cool. Alright. One cool thing about this instruction manual is that, look at all the sardine cans. Woohoo! Looks so cool. So cool. Yeah, it really is like a sardine can. See? Haha. Nice. All right, let's try to attach the flash. I'm sure this will work with any flash because this flash has this certain port here that goes here. And I've seen online that you can actually buy connections or like, you know, adapters so that you can use it on like a hot shoe or something. But then, can you imagine it on a hot shoe? That'd be interesting, say like that. There you go. And then you screw it on like that. That's screwed tight. And it looks like that. See? Not too bad. I mean, obviously it doesn't pair because like the colors and stuff, but that's why I bought the black one, because this is the only one that came by itself without the flash, and black can go with anything. What's the plus? Can't remember. I think it was that way. I think it's ready. No. Oh, there it is. Ah, there is the green light. I don't know if you can see. See? It's green, so that means the flash is ready. Okay. Maybe because it doesn't have a film. Here's to hoping. Anyway, so I'm gonna put film into this and go out, take some photos and show them to you guys. So I'm gonna be testing this out. Let's go! Woo.